So you've narrowed down your choice to either the Vitamix Professional 750 or the Vitamix 7500. Honestly, both products are worth buying. So in order to differentiate each blender, I'm going to explain all the differences between each product in this Vitamix 750 versus 7500 comparison so that you know which one is right for you. Don't forget to click the links in the description to check the most up-to-date prices. The Vitamix 7500 and Professional 750 both pack a punch with their 2.2 horsepower motors, which can handle tough ingredients like frozen fruits and ice with ease. Both models feature 4-inch hardened stainless steel blades that can pulverize even the toughest ingredients. The blade design allows for consistent blending, ensuring your smoothies come out silky smooth every time. Where the Professional 750 stands out is its pre-programmed settings. You get 5 automatic blending cycles for smoothies, frozen desserts, hot soups, purees, and self-cleaning. This feature takes the guesswork out of blending times and is also the reason for the Pro 750's higher price tag. The 7500 requires manual control, which some users prefer for more hands-on blending. Other than the pre-programmed settings, there's virtually no difference between the Vitamix 750 and the Vitamix 7500. The containers for both blenders are made from BPA-free Triton plastic. This material is shatter-resistant and built to withstand the high speed these blenders can achieve. You'll also appreciate the clear markings on the sides for easy measurement. When it comes to the blades, both models use hardened stainless steel. These 4-inch blades are laser cut and designed to maintain their edge over time. You can expect them to handle tough ingredients without getting stuck, which is more than can be said for your average blender, let me tell you. Both blenders come with a full 7-year warranty, showing Vitamix's confidence in their durability. You can feel assured that these machines are built to last and can handle frequent use in your kitchen. The Vitamix 7500 and Professional 750 both feature simple, intuitive controls that are easy to use. You'll find an on-off switch on the right side of each blender base. In the center, both models have a 10-speed variable control dial, letting you fine-tune the blending speed for different recipes and textures. Similarly, on the left side, you'll see a pulse switch that gives you quick bursts of power when needed. The key difference is in the preset programs. The Professional 750 offers 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, purees, and cleaning. The 7500 lacks these automatic programs. With the 750's presets, you can start the blender and walk away while it runs through the cycle. This hands-off approach can be convenient for busy cooks. The 7500's simpler interface may appeal if you prefer manual control. You'll need to monitor blending times yourself, but some users find this gives them more precise results. As I mentioned in this Vitamix 7500 versus 750 comparison, the Vitamix Professional 750 takes the lead in smart features because it comes with 5 pre-programmed settings for smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, purees, and self-cleaning. You'll appreciate the convenience of walking away while your 750 does the work. Just select a program, press start, and let the blender adjust speeds and timing automatically. This means that less thinking and fewer physically adjustments are required on your end. So, if you want to go all out on a Vitamix and improve your blending automation, then I recommend picking up the Vitamix Pro 750. While the 750's smart functions shine for convenience, the 7500's simplicity might appeal to you if you enjoy customizing each blend. Both are versatile enough to handle a wide range of recipes beyond smoothies, including hot soups, nut butters, and frozen desserts. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you value automated programs or prefer manual control in your blending routine. Keeping your Vitamix sparkling clean is a breeze with both the 7500 and Professional 750 models. You'll be happy to know they both feature self-cleaning functions that make cleanup a snap. To clean either blender, simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap to the container. Pop the lid on and run the blender for about 30-60 seconds. Rinse thoroughly and you're done. One key difference, the Professional 750 has a pre-programmed cleaning cycle. Just press a button and walk away. The 7500 requires you to manually control the cleaning process.